Alright, so let's start by signing in the automation portal. So this portal is outside Azure, and so all you need to do is type auto.azure.com and then use your Microsoft Entra ID to sign in. So here, this is the landing page, and click sign in and use your Microsoft Entra ID here. So here is the landing page that shows you automation environments and all the recent applications and workflows that you had interacted with. This page this page would be empty if you do not have any of these resources just yet. In my case, I do have a couple of environments that I've already created as well as a bunch of workflows apps that you can see in the list here. If you do not have anything here, then the first step would be to create an automation environment. So you simply come in here, click on this button, and then provide the information such as subscription, resource group, region, and then the name of the automation environment, and then click on create. So that would kick off the process to create the automation environment. It might take a couple of minutes for it to completely provision, but once the environment is created, then you are ready to create applications and use applications in there. I already have an environment, so I'm going to skip the creation step and I'll directly go into my environment here. Environment is your topmost unit of interaction. This is also the container for your applications, sandboxes, and any other configuration and infrastructure. So it's totally up to you how many environments you want to create. You might want to choose environments based on your development environments like dev, test, production, or you might choose to create one per business domain or based on your project teams. So it's totally up to you how you want to organize your footprint based on, application development boundaries or business boundaries. Then the next step is to create your application. If you don't have any application here, you can create a new one by selecting here and providing an application name and just clicking on create. I already have one, so I'm going to skip this step as well. But one thing to note is that when you create an application, you're automatically added as the contributor to your application. However, if you want to share your app with other developers, then you do need to explicitly grant them permission via the settings here. So, this is where you can choose to add more users and provide them appropriate permissions in terms of adding them as readers or contributors. So, with this, our basic setup of projects and applications is done, and now we are ready to create the workflows.